Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, in our last class, we came to know that Katie, Maddie, and Tim they reached to Aswan. Fine, and Mr. Johnson instructed them to go by walking near because the hotel was so near to the station. Now let us read and understand that what will happen next in their story. So are you all ready for that, children? Of course you are ready, right? Okay, before going to start this chapter, I wish everybody drink little bit water. Take a bottle or a glass of water, drink it little bit, then start. Okay, you can pause the video and you can drink. Fine. Okay, let us read it first. We noticed mean all the group member, Katie, Maddie and Mr. Johnson and other team members, they noticed several people in the streets. They noticed there were several people, so many people in that street, the street of आसन. आसन की गली में या मार्केट में उन्होंने बहुत सारे क्या देखे? People देखे, right? And many small shops, and in that street they found many small shops. बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे दुकान देखे. While we walked down, and when they had seen that, they had seen several people and many small shops in the street area when they were coming down. Okay, the street of Aswan. So when they were coming down to the street of Aswan, they saw several people and small shops. See, you can see in the, this kind of things in Morbi also. That is not possible that you will have only big malls and all the general store and all. Oh, in a street area we have small shops also. They sales, right, things, and we buy from them. So likewise they found in Aswan also. You can buy clothes and jewelry in these shops, said Mr. Johnson. And Mr. Johnson said that this is the good area, our best option if you want to buy some clothes and jewelry from Aswan. Who said this? Mr. Johnson. We walked past the shops. Smelling the coffee and spices. So when they were moving, they found from a shop they could smell coffee smell and spices. So many spices were there. Okay, like maybe turmeric, chili, garam masala or any other things. Katie said, can we please stop to look at the shops? Now Katie was so excited and she asked, obviously she would ask to Mr. Johnson. So she asked that whether they could stop and buy at the shops. मतलब वो रुक कर कुछ खरीद सकते हैं क्या, ऐसे उसने पूछे. Mr. Johnson looked at us, smiled and agreed. Now Mr. Johnson thought little bit. He looked at them, he smiled and said, okay, you can stop and buy whatever you want to. Who said this? Mr. Johnson. Who is Mr. Johnson? Mr. Johnson is their history teacher who organized this tour or this trip. The narrator noticed a beautiful necklace in the shop. Katie and I had entered. Okay, so Mary noticed that there was a beautiful necklace in that shop. In the particular shop, she found a beautiful necklace and she wanted to buy. And she told to Katie, and Katie and Mary both entered to the shop. Katie was looking at a pretty box. Okay, now Katie was looking at the pretty box. You can see in this picture, she was looking at the pretty box. How? Yes. Suddenly I noticed a man wearing a black suit walk out of the shop. Then suddenly I noticed, who noticed? Mary noticed that a man who was wearing a black suit, he was walking out from the shop. See, this man. Okay. Could it be him? Now she was in shocked or surprised because he had her bag. So she was thinking that maybe this is the man who stolen her bag. Then I wonder mean वो सोच में पड़ गई. Katie, where's the bag? Where's the statue? I asked her. It's here, she said, and looked at the ground. The bag was gone. Now suddenly what happened? Mary asked to Katie, Katie, where is our bag? Then, and where is the statue? And Katie replied, here, this bag is here at the ground. नीचे पड़ा है, ऐसे बोली. And the bag was gone, and they found that there was no bag on the ground. So what do you think? Who has stolen this bag? Obviously, see, this man is stealing from them. चुपके से उसने, जब ये लोग बिजी थे नेकलेस में और ये बैग बॉक्स में बिजी थी, तो वो उठाकर ले गया. Who? The man in black suit. Oh no, she said, turning as white as a ghost. Where is it? Now she turned back and tried to find out her bag, but she was disappointed because there was no bag on the ground. Okay, and she looked white like ghost. That means shocked hona, घबरा जाना. Okay, white as a ghost means your face become pale, dull, because you were shocked that time or worried that time. The next day they visit the temples of Abu Simbel. So next day, then this incident happened, it over now. They went to their hotel, they got fresh up, and maybe they took rest and all. But next day they visit the temples of Abu Simbel. Okay, the temples of Abu Simbel, where they spot the man, and they found who? The man in black suit. Okay, they found the man in the black suit again. They saw him again. Later, Mary follows the man into the temple of Queen Nefertari. Now, the next, what happened? Mary, she saw the man in black suit, and she followed the man into the temple of Queen Nefertari. So the man went to Queen of Nefertari and she followed. So धीरे धीरे चुपके चुपके चोरी चोरी वो उसको follow करने लगी. Okay. Suddenly, what happened? He attacks her with a knife. Suddenly, the man, the villain, you can say, the villain of the story, he attacks on Mary with a knife. छुरी लेकर, चाकू लेकर वो सामने आ गया लड़ने के लिए, fight. Okay. She managed to escape, and soon after this, Mr. Johnson and Katie find her, and the police arrest the man. So soon after she managed to escape. That means anyhow she escaped from the men. उससे छूटकर वो जाने लगी. And after that, Mr. Johnson and Katie find her. Find her mean whom? Find Maddie. And suddenly the police also came and arrest the men. So this is all about the story that they had gone to visit Aswan, but they also solved a mysterious, you can say, or a crime story, you can say, because he was a thief, right? And it is really interesting or memorable journey for them, or memorable trip for them. They would never forget this incident, right? Because they had solved and they had helped the police to arrest the men who had stolen the statue of Queen Nefertari. So this is all about chapter 7. I had explained and you understood it. Fine. Now we'll write question answer. I'll send you the PDF or picture of this question answer. Whose bag did Katie have? What was in the bag? Okay, this question, do you know what is the answer of this question? Okay, so here is the answer of first question. Katie had the brown bag which belonged to the man in the black suit. The man in black suit was a thief who had taken Katie's bag and had replaced it with another brown bag. Okay. And what was in the bag? Do you know the answer? Yes, there was a gold statue of Queen Nefertari in the brown bag. What did Maddie find out about the statue? See, she read from one of the history books, right? So Maddie found out that the statue was of Queen Nefertari and that it was made of pure gold. You know, Arabian countries are famous for their gold. Okay. And the police were looking for a man in a black suit. And police had suspected that the man in a black suit had stolen the statue. Now, third question. Where were Katie and Maddie going? Where were Katie and Maddie going? Katie and Maddie were going to Aswan. After getting off the train, they walked through the streets of Aswan. Okay, I am giving you all the answer. What did they do after getting off the train that we have just read, right? And after that, they stop and looked at other small shops. Okay. Now fourth number, what items did the girl find interesting in the shop? Yes, tell which ornament it was. Yes, she found a beautiful necklace and she had entered to the shop. But Katie found an interesting, or you can say a pretty box. What happened to the bag? What happened to the bag? The bag was stolen from the shop by the man in black suit. Again, see, he had, sorry for the disturbance. Actually, he had exchanged the bag so that he would be safe in that time. But later on, when he found everything is safe, nothing to worry, now he again exchanged the bag and took the bag with him. Okay, dear children, write down all the question answer nicely in your FNB, and please do hard work in your study. Don't be lazy, because this is your high time to prove yourself how good you are in study, how much hard work you are putting in your study. Okay, learn all the things, new things, whatever you are finding, because you have time, right? And do your work on time. Don't keep for tomorrow or later on. Whatever work you are getting, do it at the same time, same moment. So at least you would get free time to spend some time with quality time with your parents or family, or you can learn something new. I'm not asking that you would learn only your subjects things. Okay, you can learn cooking, you can learn art and craft, you can learn singing, you can learn anything, whatever you DIY, anything you can do, right? So give your time for that, and please give your 100% time to yourself. Don't distract yourself watching TV and all the time. In that case, you are killing your time, right? So don't kill your time. See you children in next class.